This is Diamond Builder Stencil from Altenew. This stencil measures 6 by 6, perfect for any A2 size cards, journal pages, scrapbook layouts, or mixed media arts. This stencil will help you create an amazing diamond pattern on your projects. Simply apply color through the stencil, flip the stencil over, then apply a different color. Rotate and repeat for an amazing 4-color look. Add a splash of color with our line of ink sprays, blend with our crisp dye inks, or add texture with our embossing paste. Once done using the stencil, simply clean it using baby wipes, stamp cleaner, or mild soap and water. Store them flat and away from direct heat or sunlight. All of our Altenew stencils are high quality and manufactured in the USA. To find out more about Diamond Builder Stencil and its featured projects, please visit us at altenew.com.